What if I told you that I could give you a solution that earns you a guaranteed 2.5% per day? Guaranteed in the Furio token. You do nothing except for hold Furio Crypto. If you put in 100K, you make 2.5K per day to just sit around on your butt and do nothing. You could literally make almost 1,000% ROI every single year on your money. Again, for doing nothing. It's stable, sustainable. There's definitely nothing weird going on in the background, and there's no insider trading or price manipulation. You'd probably say, I don't even need a Furio Crypto review, Drew. Sign me up, right? And your favorite influencer would probably say, go ahead and use my referral link, my friend. Then you'll be saying, thank God Furio came along. It's the answer to all of my problems. No way I can lose money on the Furio cryptocurrency. It's an absolute guarantee. I got rugged on 6 projects and lost 90% on the dozen more Ponzi's that didn't work out. But Furio is here to save the day with a guaranteed 2.5% daily ROI. But these types of returns come with stipulations. And if you want to hear those stipulations, make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Boom! Bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate it. Now, let's go make 1,000% per year, guys. So, it's obviously a bear market. Everyone's losing money. Everyone is scrounging around to survive. Businesses are crumbling right and left. Projects failing and rugging every single day. I'm sure by now you can tell that everything I said when I introduced this video was absolutely 100% BS. And if you've been in this market for more than a month, then you've probably seen so many of these types of protocols that it's starting to make you sick. First red flag, guaranteed returns. That's not how investing works. That's not a thing in the real world, guys. But that's how Ponzi's work. That's how scams work. And that's definitely how technically illegal practices work. Without wasting too much time, let's jump into what Furio actually is. Here's what they quote right on the front page of the website. First thing is sustainable taxing. Woo! When you buy Furio, you lose 10%, literally immediately. Then you stake and hold it, and it auto compounds. Yes! That has absolutely never failed. Titano is killing it. Safu definitely made millionaires. None of them were actual scams, but you'll probably make your money back in about 5 days. We promise you. So don't worry about the tax until you go to cash out, and then you get hit for another 10%. Weird. Oh, but you can auto compound and only get taxed 5%. Woohoo! That's how we keep the money in the protocol and incentivize people to never take profit. Or principal. Keep that on the hush hush though. They literally have taxes on every single transaction, 10% for buy, deposit, claim, sell, all of them. They even have a whale tax of up to 45%. Again, so people can't kill the Ponzi too quick. Oh, and they limit your transactions per day, what you can sell, and how much before you get charged a 50% sell tax. Odd. It's almost like they don't want you taking your money out. Then they have the most obvious referral system that gives people the ability to build a Ponzi team of multi-level marketers for themselves. The people above you get 5% of your ROI every single day when you come into their Ponzi. And you have to have a certain amount of Furio NFTs to have a certain amount of people in your Ponzi team. Wow, this worked really well for the My Diamond team, the Drips of the world, all of them. What a good idea. Definitely not a Ponzi and 100% not a scam here. There's no way that only the top level people, the influencers and Furio team, are the only ones profiting. No way. They have compound interest though. Auto rebasing. That definitely works well in economics. Totally. No red flags there. Inflation is good. I'd love to pay $100 for a Snickers bar from people frivolously printing off money and tokens out of thin air like it's something to do. Sounds great. This means the token supply goes up every single day and devalues the tokens that you hold quicker than you can potentially claim them. The taxes stop you from pulling your principal without taking a massive hit, so your only hope is to ROI faster than the Ponzi crumbles or loses its peg. And that leads me into the last thing about Furio. They have a liquidity management system. That worked out really well for Horde. They basically prop up and suppress their own price. Similar to Horde, similar to the other Ponzi scam protocols like Optimus OPT3. I will say though, this one makes a lot more sense than some of the others. And the reason I say that is because Furio has $1.1 million market cap. And they actually have over $1.4 million in the LP in USDC. And if you don't know what the LP does, that's how you get your money out. So basically what I'm saying is that their LP in USDC outweighs what their market cap actually is. So the fair value of your token is actually right in line with what you're seeing in the charts majority of the time. At the time of filming, obviously you can't do this because of the 18,000 different taxes that you have to pay for moving your money and moving large amounts of money, or just even trying to take your profits out. But always pay attention to the DEX screener for this information. And I would always suggest paying attention to the top holders on the contract wallet as well. One last warning, as if there weren't already enough warnings. CoinMarketCap literally spits this message at the top of the page right in your face as soon as you go onto the Furio chart. The ownership of the smart contract isn't renounced for the following asset, which means the owners are able to modify the contract behavior. For example, disabling selling, changing fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise with extra caution if you are investing into this asset. Basically, watch your back. They have full control and you have no idea who these people are, and they literally have essentially no repercussions if they run off with your money. Now, I'm pretty sure it's easy to ascertain where I stand on this, but I will let you make your own inferences from here. And if you like content like this, make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Boom! Bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant section. Give me new projects that you'd like me to look into. Let me know if there's something that I'm doing that you hate, and let me know if there's something that I'm doing that you love. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for showing up to this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day, everyone.